Welcome to CustomSoftwareAdvisor.com. This is a brand new blog that I'm really excited about starting, and basically what the blog is, it's a video blog aimed at non-programmers and hoping to give you some insight into programming, not teach you how to program, but maybe gives you some insight into how to work with a programmer. In this video I would like to discuss my goals for the blog, for the video blog, and maybe introduce myself and how I believe I can add value to your lives. My name is John MacIntyre. I'm an independent software consultant in the Greater Toronto area of Canada. I have over 15 years development experience on the Microsoft platforms. So for example, I've developed desktop applications for Microsoft Windows, web applications in Microsoft technologies, and done a lot of work with SQL Server databases. I've developed line of business applications in multiple industries, from healthcare utilization modeling to pharmaceutical to freight management to brochure display and distribution to financial shrink wrap software, and I've even worked on an internal form system for a very large Fortune 100 company. I've worked mostly solo and on small teams, which gives me kind of a unique experience where I've been on the project when the project has started with nothing, and I've taken it from concept to design to implementation to deployment, training, support, and maintenance, maintaining it. I've supported and maintained most of my own applications for years and years, so I definitely know the advantage of writing a maintainable application, and it's completely different from just writing a one-off that a consultant comes in, he writes a quick application that does exactly what you want, then he leaves, and the person who has to come in and maintain that application and fix a bug that might be inserted into it, or maybe add a piece of functionality that the client didn't think of at the time. Adding that functionality in is not always so easy. So my outlook has always been to write highly maintainable software. These videos are mostly for business people, project managers, IT managers, but basically any non-programmer who works with programmers. I'm not going to teach you how to program, but maybe shed some light on the mysterious dark corners and maybe help you work with programmers a little more easily and understand what the programmer needs and how you can most effectively work with them, what you can expect. I want to share this information because I see clients who they don't understand the software development process, and maybe they miss opportunities and they don't understand the complexity of something or the simplicity of something else. They make bad choices and allow some developers to do something that is not to their advantage, and maybe very much to their detriment. I just feel there's too much mystery in this profession. I would really like to clear some of that up, at the very least with my customers. And doing it in a video would give bite-sized information. Maybe you can watch it while you eat lunch, and you don't have... Watching a video while you eat lunch is definitely a lot easier than reading while you eat. So that's part of it. Also another part is just easier. It's easier to watch. It's easier for me to videotape them. I feel that instead of me having an inspiration and writing a comprehensive blog post about it and spending like 10 hours working on it, over the course of 3 weeks. I'm inspired, I turn on my webcam and I just say what's on my mind. Now, having said that, many of these videos may be kind of rough around the edges. I mean, I'm recording it on a webcam. Most of them are going to be pretty much on the fly with not a lot of preparation. And there's definitely not going to be any professional video editing going on. None. So they will be a little rough around the edges, but I feel that that's the best way for me to add the most value. And if you can see past that, I think I will deliver a lot more content that wouldn't normally get delivered. So if you are interested, and if I've sold you on this video blog, I hope that you'll subscribe to the RSS feed. If you don't know how to subscribe to an RSS feed, that's okay. Just keep checking back on the video, because within a couple days I'm going to post a video on how to subscribe to an RSS feed and maintain some contacts so that you're receiving all the videos as I record them. If you ever have questions about a video that I post, or you think I've said something wrong, I've misinformed, or I'm just generally wrong, or if you just have a question, please feel free to comment in the comment boxes below the videos. There's going to be comments under every video, under every post. Excuse me. And yeah, please leave your comments there. I mean, good or bad, I will read them and respond to all of them. If you have any new questions, or you want to talk about anything else, or sorry, if you have new questions, if you have a question that I haven't reviewed yet, please send me an email via my contact page, or contact me on MSN, Twitter, Skype, even fax, or phone me and ask these questions, and maybe I'll create a video. One caveat though, if you do phone me, I have a pretty bad speech problem, and I usually don't speak quite as effectively as I'm speaking right now. Right now I've got the added advantage of, if I speak very poorly, I can always turn the webcam off and re-record. But on the phone live, it's not always that good. So if you can't handle the inefficiencies of my stutter, then I think maybe the best way to contact me would be via my contact page. Any of the other channels you could use. But you can contact me there with new questions, or you can contact me if you just wanted to discuss something else. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you'll check back. I hope you'll subscribe to the RSS feed, and I'm really looking forward to delivering some real value in this video blog.